If you don't do this, you're headed for trouble. Principle 3, remember that a person's name is to that person the sweetest and most important sound in any language. Most people don't remember names, because they don't make the effort to stay focused, repeat, and permanently imprint names in their minds. People are so hooked on their names that they will often donate large sums of money just to have a building named after them. Inquire about a person's name. Pay close attention. Make certain you've heard it. If necessary, spell it out. Repeat their names numerous times in your head or out loud during the conversation. Attempt to link their name with their looks, expressions, or anything you've learned about them. When learning a new name, use it in the conversation to help you remember it. If anything seems unusual, ask how to spell it. It should be done several times. When you have the opportunity, write it down. From How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Part 2, Ways to Make People Like You. Subscribe, like, follow for more.